As 2023 maintenance fee demands arrive, ECC have been keeping track of the increases. A running total of the average fee escalation currently stands at 30.1%. Resorts are presenting the increases as necessary because of inflation, but are they being fair? According to The Guardian, general inflation is running at a far smaller 10.1%. Timeshare annual fees are an amalgamation of smaller costs. The biggest area of increase is utilities at 20.2%. Even if utilities represented their biggest expenditure, this couldn't mathematically justify 30% increases in fees. Neither would the 10.7% increase in the cost of furniture, household items, and general upkeep. Wages are a significant proportion of resort costs, but in 2022, they rose by only 6% in the UK and 3.5% in Spain. Timeshare companies could justify 30% fee hikes if there was some major hidden expense that had increased by 40, 50% or more, to balance out the much lower increases everywhere else. To the best of our experts' knowledge, there is no such hidden expenditure. During the pandemic, timeshare companies universally charged annual fees in full. Their actual costs dropped considerably without guests staying on site. Electricity, water, maintenance and wear and tear reduced to almost zero. The portion of management fees that pays staff salaries was also still charged in full, despite in many cases wages being paid by government furlough schemes. Timeshare companies came through the pandemic with significantly higher profits than on regular years. With the average maintenance fee before the 2023 increases being over £1,000 a year, timeshare owners could offset other inflationary increases by relinquishing their timeshare memberships.